Congratulations, you have been accepted onto the YouTube Partner Program. So, what happens next? Your next step is making it from 500 subscribers to 1,000 subscribers. This could take a little bit of time, it could take a long time. You could see yourself going over 4,000 viewing hours before you get to that 1,000 subscriber point. But then one day you will hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours. And from that moment you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours, you will unlock new ways to earn money on YouTube. So let's get started. You will now be able to earn in more ways, including supers, short feed ads, and watch page ads. So head over to the Earn tab on your YouTube creator, and here you will find new options available to you for you to get started. Payments are not immediately available, and you will need to go through the AdSense process. YouTube will also provide you with introducing self-certification and an interesting video for what is actually included within the ads and self-certification. Within the first week of getting started, you are going to receive an email from Google AdSense asking you to verify your identity. This is not an immediate thing, and it can take a couple of days for this to become verified, so do give it a little bit of time. You will then get an update on identity verification has been successful, and then you'll need to verify your home address or the business address you're using to receive your payments. You will then need to wait to receive your 6-digit verification PIN in the post. This could take a couple of days, it could take a couple of weeks. In this case, mine came in 2 days. Whilst waiting for your AdSense to come in the post, you may get a Get Started button in your Earn tab. However, there's nothing that you can do until you receive that information in the post. However, here you will learn that you need to have at least made £60 in a month for YouTube to make a payment. Okay, so day 10, and I have now received my AdSense letter in the post. Very quick, this is in the UK, it might take longer elsewhere in the world. So this is your Google AdSense letter. You will need to take off the sides and the bottom, and it will come with instructions as well as your 6-digit PIN as to what you need to do and what you need to follow. So you're going to have to go back into the Earn tab, click on the Get Started button, which will take you to your AdSense page, and then you're going to have to scroll down a little bit and verify address. In here you're going to put in your 6-digit verification PIN, which will then complete the address verification stage of your AdSense progress. After doing the verification checks, it may look like nothing is happening with your earnings for a while. So if you became monetized at the beginning of a month, you are not going to see anything until the following month, where the account is going to be finalized in the second week. During this time, you're going to have to sort out your tax and payment information. So you need to set this to your country, whether that be the UK, United States or elsewhere. So after you've gone through the verification, the tax, the checks, you're going to be set up in progress for a while now. You might not see a change in this getting paid icon on the Earn tab for quite some time. Now, depending on where you are in the world, there will be a different revenue threshold for where you are in the world. Now, in the UK, it is £60 per month, so you need to make at least £60 from AdSense revenue or other sources in order to be paid by YouTube. So luckily, within 13 days of turning on AdSense, on the analytics page I had made over £100 in just Google AdSense alone. So nearly 5 weeks later, I'm still getting the setup in progress on the Earn page. However, this is okay. Now, by the end of my first complete month, I'm looking at a payment of around £236. However, I'm still waiting for this to come up in the Earn tab and show on AdSense. So going into a completely new month now, and I'm still waiting for the AdSense to update. The only thing I can suggest here, you need to be patient. There are things happening in the background, and you are just going to have to wait, unfortunately. 40 days later, I finally get a new message. I'm getting paid on the Earn tab. Let's find out what it says. So there is now a earnings figure in the AdSense coming in at £234. So this is calibrated, and obviously there's a lot of information going into YouTube, and it does take a while for it to configure. Now at this point, you're finally going to have to put in your bank details. So you're going to have to put in your bank account, your branch sort number, and your account number. So here you're going to get another verification pending, so you're going to be waiting for this information to be verified. There was a little bit of confusion here for myself, and I didn't realise what I had to do, so you do need to go into the verify button in the payment methods. YouTube will make a very small transaction amount to verify that your bank account is your bank account. Once verified, you will get more information and more information on your tax. So you do need to make sure that you are filling in all your details for your tax. YouTube will not deduct the tax outside of the United States. This will now show as a figure for the month in the transactions area. Now, YouTube payments are not consistent and will appear in your account between the 21st and 26th of the month. And finally, in YouTube Creator on the Earn page, there should be on the right hand side, Getting Paid, Setup Complete. When you have been paid, you should receive a Check Your Recent Payment from AdSense. Do check it. If it is incorrect, then you will need to get in contact with AdSense. Additionally, you'll be able to find payment information here with a downloadable document. After everything has finally processed and gone through AdSense with all the verification checks and receiving AdSense documents, you're going to actually be in your second month of monetization. And for myself, I was coming up on £340 after 2 months. I hope this video has been helpful for you in your AdSense and monetization journey. If you like what you see, please leave a comment, like, subscribe, and please check out my other videos.